Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And if you watched me shop yesterday, I went to the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got, and then I'll be working on these DIYs to show you. And let's go ahead and get started. I didn't do a lot because I will be on a plane and I only took carry-on. So let's go ahead. I found these burlap with the polka dots. I ended up getting 4 of them. I just love burlap. I just adore it. So, and then I got some of the twine, and look at all 3 rolls have that burlap colored jute twine there. So I picked up one of those. I picked up 2 of these cool stickers. I had not seen these before, and I thought they were just super cool. And there's like 50 some stickers, 56 stickers total. So I picked up those. I couldn't pass this little guy up. I just thought he was so cute. So I grabbed one of those. I think I'll probably leave it out as is for the time being, and then maybe work on it as a seasons project afterwards. I did pick up the lavender restroom spray. What's it called here? They call it toilet spray. So I picked up one of those. And I picked up one of these. Look at how cute this is. They're little coffee notepads. And this one says coffee time. And they're shaped like coffee, and they have a magnet on the back. So they just stick right to the fridge. And you can hear my little nephew dogs running around. I also picked up these stickers here. Aren't they super cute? I wanted to get all of them, but I ended up deciding on going with the succulents and cactus. I did pick up this, can't really show you, this mirror here. Let's see, there we go. You see that? Really pretty there. So I grabbed that one. What size is it? A 4x6, and it's got a mirror. I picked up 2 of these pearl stickers in this really pretty pink. It's a pale pink color. Picked up 2 of those. And you guys, I picked this up, look. They have Grape Crush. I haven't had Grape Crush in forever. So I grabbed one of those. I need to put it in the fridge. And then I also picked up an 11x14 frame. And I picked up a wire wreath. So it wasn't a big, huge shopping spree, but we did the walkthrough. So if you haven't seen it, check my channel and you'll be able to see all the cool items. They have so many summer items. But I wanted to grab these so I can do some DIYing while I'm here in southern Utah. And I'll be heading home on Monday. And back to DIYing and stamping and chalking and everything on Tuesday. So, but for now, I have 2 projects that I'll be doing. So make sure if you haven't already subscribed, click that little subscribe button right here. Click the bell so you're reminded. And then we'll see you shortly with a DIY. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.